The rain moving across Texas will help with the elevated wildfire concerns around our state. In fact, neighbors in Blanco County are safe after several voluntary evacuations of their homes took place over the weekend due to the Clear Creek fire. It comes as firefighters continue to battle the Eastland Complex fires, and roughly 30% of the 54,000 acres burning right now have been contained. Our reporter Monica Madden tells us about the close calls from Blanco County.
Charred, smoky grass was the extent of the damage, thanks to quick joint response from crews. Blanco County officials say there might have been different results if affected homes did not evacuate quickly or if the county didn't surge resources rapidly.
Big lesson from today is if evacuations are needed, to have a plan in order to evacuate your family quickly.
Up north, first responders are still working to contain the Eastland Complex fires, which torched communities like Carbon.
But people have lost their homes, and I lost a good friend.
The inferno also took the life of Eastland Sheriff's Deputy Barbara Fenley, who died while trying to rescue others.
She put a smile on your face every time you walked up to her. She was just an angel.
Tonight, still less than 50% of the Eastland fires are contained. The recovery effort,
it has been amazing to see everybody coming together from all over the state.
Now underway as Texans brace for more severe weather in the days to come.